Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your email in Ikea. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the bottom of your screen and press on your account section there. Now you can just look in the top of your right corner and press on the settings. Once that is done, you can just press on personal details and after that change email address. And this will transfer you to a different page. You should wait a little bit until the page loads in, and you can just press on continue now, or should I say you can change it here before you press continue. So you just enter here your new Gmail address, and after that you can just press on continue and the email address is going to be changed now. You will instantly update it basically. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.